namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, I'm like Benny Mangan, the president. Then from there, of course, of course, no Monde Roger, Shimusan. Then I'm going to of course, Timbani, look before, yeah, my friend Gagash. Hey, Shagom. Yeah, so it did 2002, of course, on Fingana County President, of course, TikTok. On Fangana from Gomoguna video carrying after I posted was I fully talk on the guy in Lakasagat.
No, I mean, when the magic.
So as we can hear, President, of course, I remember some magic, but I'm not partly interesting coming and the alarm because we figure you try figure bloody sure.
They won't go on when and the Fana Famba, but when a matter Sarah Namalula, very good thing, and get to Sumina one to rank.
As of head, you're that song I go to magic, I enrich home in other ways. That's why he rank scene. Mahlasana Maluela, I don't the guy like that song magic. And the local impediment is all show album with a boy on go because of magic. You look current everywhere, like you look trending. I show on the online, you look trending. I mean, like as we speak, as we can see, already in 3,316 posts and still counting. That don't count the amount as we can see. Look, posted like it's trending, guys. It's trending. Yeah, and then of course, okay, and of course, we can Monde Roger. Yeah, so some of course, 3,000 film get account no Monde Roger. So busy blind, because if you can post a post, as you can see, you're all not ready for what's coming. Shame. Even the Africa begala this clip I tlangi.
Vukate manane, ye vukate kokwane, abana bela lavanga na tona. Loko babana vo auctione wa manta sangula na kuveka budget we. Neta kumalo dura. Atatlela kaya la.
As a vet, I come no Monde Roger. This year she read them. I'm like, she come serious no mess as you can hear. Kwalano on the similar to like a head family line. No Monde Roger. And the rattle would never miss the posting yana scarler. But however, not so sure as I come confirmation you. Angava argo lega osingo miss the post na go shwonengo shula afsiza shi lungiziwa and stuff like that. So matimba fika utsako on Mr. Post now, she wrote, just stay tuned to find out. I'm going to so, guys, problem I go now, also go. And the go solve a shinkasa say, Kashwana, there is a touch, there was a problem. Oh, there is a problem between Osungo, Mr. Post, and Monde Roger. So, Maring, at Zaga Shulung as well, because combo I want to live in a passion of one competition. Because without competition, music show bore available. So, I read, hopefully, about our accountings and when I post serious project I look then as you can see na kwana poster we can tell go serious project I take as you can see na kwana khatsara go ne practice for new upcoming release as you can see mara angele ku tsala go in o tsala go release we are not sure if okay, so we are not sure if it's an album or it's an EP or it's a single. We are not sure because Good Friday Africa was a single. So hashtag ashwona mara these days men wo shirka no release that single man I want to release sarango go mesa an album nga ho mesa single go hit is to hit you mesa yer one good and like one yeah, it's not really a problem mona makale. And then of course it tlhela ka Mthimbani versus Gagash. Yeah, so previously I'm showing in the video, of course, la I can analyze similar beef Ram Mthimbani against Gagash, Razamlong, and Arena Shambago. So at least this time around, improvement. I'm gonna Shambango for Luning, so good another beef song again. Okay. Mthimbani ka hleka le xika ku pansa nhloko dime ku ri loze I doela Mthimbani nhloko le it ka trouble mos so ka continue of course na mhaka liya xi nga yidi ya Mthimbani mali so a hi jumping la ka chorus la hi talk the lyrics 3 yini kahle kahle ngena Mthimbani erini ya swo i ntiyiso Gagashi yena nga rhama Mthimbani na post already of course a yi ri kona a yi postile Mthimbani la a kha chinga la a xo ndla assurance yo vanhu va nga tlhela va vuyeka xo Mthimbani la swi ndli na ku xo xi nga xavelela gigi okay a byela that mani ni tlhela ni tshama ni nga yi so a ni tivi Mthimbani if it's worth it ku swi swi vula na because I don't know swi nga ku onhela na yo credibility kuma ku maybe next time kuma ku i hlangana swin'wana swa straight vanhu va nga ku tekeli nhlokweni va twina ku wo hemba okay nungisela ti-picture ta khale so Mthimbani loko confirming everything na ti-picture ku ri ta khale I don't know Mthimbani I don't know yes that's a ban no hemba ku ni kumi phanchara it's because kuna a post la a postine Mthimbani as you can see kona loko a haya 7 na kha hemba ku kume phanchara I think that video nga yi vekela ya o vekela that video as you can see kwala so kha claim ku kume phanchara Mthimbani so I don't know mina guys I don't know what do you think mina ntwini ku maybe swo a tlha swi expose ku a hemba I don't think a swi ri necessary a fika swi tshikisi swi ya vanhu van'wana kuma va believe van'wana va nga believe mavona mhaka leyi because na defense so defense is robot don't defend so ku tlhela ku vuya yena a fika kaneta I don't know if it's a good idea na aredzi so iranga then because a bashitsi already nimhlamsireni as master thiku ivulayo xitsitsi ivula le mfungwe le so ivula ku ari busy ari ku nozolini le na mhaka le that's why anga yang 17 so yo reason ya Mthimba mfoy and overall that's what they was basically saying and simple anga havule swin'wana ni check sa risimu leri yeah that's what in overall of course he was saying loko mina a game leyi yi le ku tikini but ri nga huma mara kumbe ku va marketing strategy I don't know we never know ku Mthimbani ka beef a xitlheli maybe ri ka huma we never know be ti twala kahle na ti-lyrics ti famba swona ti twala kahle swinene it's a good song ku vele mina na master team ni tlhela na tihlo rin'wana ro the exposure njhani ku i hembini what if in future i hlangana swo karhi kuma ku se swa serious if you can provide a proof the event organizers they nga believe mi kuma ku maybe is bad leswi straight this time around and they tirhise mali mi kuma ku the event organizers la mali ya arrange it's life loko ri amukeza subscribe banda kumela mi tika subscribe